In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Google site by adding your own logo, a simple yet effective way to enhance your brand's presence online. First things first, let's navigate to your Google site. Open up your browser and head over to your Google account, then go to the Google Sites homepage. If you're already logged in, you should see a list of your available sites right away. Select the one you want to edit. Once your site loads up, you'll be ready to make those brand-enhancing modifications. Now that you've got your Google site up and running, the next thing you need to do is access the settings. To do this, look for the gear icon. It's often located in the upper right corner of the page, providing access to various customization options. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, you'll see numerous options, but for today's purpose, we are focused on branding. So you want to click on the Brand Images option. This section is your go-to spot for adding personalized visual elements to your Google site. Once you're in the Brand Images section, you'll find a portion specifically labeled Logo. This is where the magic happens. By incorporating your logo, you not only make your site instantly recognizable, but also start aligning it visually with your brand identity. Under this Logo section, you'll have two choices: Upload and Select. If you already have your logo saved on your computer or device, go ahead and click on Upload. This will prompt your computer's file explorer to open, allowing you to browse for the logo file on your machine. Once you find it, select it, and just like that, you've uploaded your logo. Alternatively, if you store your images on a web-based service or you've already uploaded them to your Google Photos, click on Select. This option allows you to pull directly from your image library online. This mode of selection is convenient if the logo is readily available in your cloud storage. Simply choose your desired image and confirm your selection. Google does a pretty good job guiding you through the process, so feel free to explore both options to find what works best for you. After you've uploaded or selected your logo, there's no need for any extra steps. Google Sites will immediately integrate it into your site, giving you an instant preview of how it looks and fits with the existing design elements on your page. You'll notice the logo prominently displayed on your site, enhancing the overall professional appearance of your content. And that's it. You're done. By taking just a couple of moments to add your logo, you've effectively created a more cohesive and branded online experience for your visitors. Thanks for tuning in, and happy customizing.